The assembly and painting techniques are explained attentively, and each one can be made by hand. Fried dates can also be creative, which is fun and delicious. A great DIY experience. Fresh fried dates are really delicious. The boss is very kind and will call to confirm beforehand. Many questions will be explained patiently. Everyone on the scene has a lot of fun. It's a good local experience, and the things provided by the merchants are also delicious. I recommend everyone to experience it. Super fun fried dates experience. And it's delicious. The boss also kindly gave us discount coupons and souvenirs. Thank you so much. I will bring him to play later when there is a child. The store is very kind. During the event, he will help to record it with a single eye camera, and then upload it to FB for everyone to download. It's an interesting experience that can only be experienced in Penghu. Local specialties. It is suitable for taking children to participate in the itinerary. During the free time of fried dates, there will be small snacks for you to enjoy with Penghu tea. The Jujube activity is very fun and highly recommended. The store also has a 50 yuan discount voucher. You can buy their goods to use but some of the embarrassment when booking is because I see the event description is divided into 2 mornings and afternoons, but I received the arrangement on the day before the event is the morning field because the newsletter has not arrived in Wuhu in the morning. The boss carefully explained the traditional culture. I also very patiently teach you how to make fried dates and turtles, and help take pictures. Very caring service. While waiting for the fried dates, there are snacks and drinks to use. There is also a very caring boss. The product is well-intentioned, super delicious. Remember to make an appointment. The environment is also very demanding and hygienic. Big push. Different new experiences in the local area. You can finish your own work and you can still eat your own works. It feels delicious. The children like this experience very much. The store is very attentive, carefully explained to everyone, interacting well with the children, patiently answering the child's problems, sharing the snacks from time to time to share with you, and helping to use binoculars. The boss superbly teaches each step, and can slowly draw slowly and not be urged. There is also professional photography to help take pictures, and a good experience. Delicious, fun, bosses are very good, and carefully introduced, as well as photography services, suitable for a family to experience. Feel very fun, more suitable for children. You can understand the tradition of Wuhu. Fried dates are also very delicious. The boss is a young man, patiently explaining and teaching, a good experience. Great for kids to experience and see. There are also photographers taking photos and taking pictures, and the photos will be uploaded to Facebook. DIY is very fun. The boss explained a lot of ancient and early custom knowledge. The weather is too hot to hide in the indoor DIY. Just let everyone take a break and recommend the trip. Attentive store. We will promote the culture of the place and let everyone know. Handsome boss. The activity is divided into 2 stages. It takes a little artistic talent to draw 13 pieces of tortoise shells for the tortoise, and the dates are 7 and 8 minutes. The 2-point activity started because of the early and late start of the group. The store has another teaching to make up the progress, which is very good overall.